I truly hope that you found this information helpful. Please take a moment to subscribe to this channel and also hit the little bell icon so that you can be notified of any new information we post. If you like listening to audio podcasts, please check for Bo Knows Real Estate on all major podcast players. And if you're looking to buy or sell, house or a condo in Winnipeg, please call or text me anytime at 204-333-2202. This has been Bo Kaufman of RE/MAX Performance Realty. Till next time, bye-bye.